how to fix maximum number of attempts reached. TikTok maximum number of attempts reached. So this could be happening due to multiple reasons. Maybe you're trying to reset the password and you've reached the limit trying to log into the same account. Now this process can normally be fixed by simply clearing the data of the TikTok app. If you're on iPhone, by the way, you have to uninstall and reinstall the app, but for Android users, long press the TikTok app icon and you'll find this app info icon which looks like the eye icon. So just tap on it and go there. Once you're there, simply go to this option that says storage, and from there you can just clear the cache files and clear the data from the bottom of the screen. Once you've done that, now you can try to also uninstall if this is not helping you. So uninstall the app if you want to, click on OK. Then after that, reinstall the application. After that, you can simply try to enter your correct credentials and you will be able to fix this problem. This way you should be able to solve maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.